Prayer is the most fundamental spiritual discipline, yet for many it feels like a one-sided conversation or a struggle to focus. What if I told you that modern psychology offers incredible insights into making your prayer life more effective, focused, and deeply connecting? Today we're exploring the psychology of prayer, looking at how techniques like mindfulness and focused attention can transform your time with God from a chore into a profound experience. Prayer is a form of focused attention. Psychologically, this practice strengthens neural pathways related to peace, empathy, and self-regulation. Use your breath to anchor your mind. Inhale, Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God. Exhale, have mercy on me, a sinner. This simple, repetitive phrase prevents mind wandering. Praying without ceasing. 1 Thessalonians 5:17 is a call to maintain a constant state of awareness and connection. Visualization is a powerful psychological tool used in therapy and sports. In prayer, it can be used to visualize God's presence, the healing of a situation, or the reality of a biblical truth. The Psalms are full of visual language. God is a shepherd, a rock, a fortress. This is ancient visualization. When praying for peace, visualize the peace of Christ washing over you. When praying for strength, visualize yourself putting on the armor of God. Prayer is a primary mechanism for emotional regulation. It moves your emotional state from the reactive fight or flight amygdala to the calm, reflective prefrontal cortex. When you pray, you are literally handing over your burdens to a higher power, which reduces the psychological load you carry. If you want to deepen your connection with God, start by using your mind intentionally. Subscribe to the Renewed Mind Project for more videos that bridge the gap between faith and psychology. And let me know in the comments, what is your favorite way to pray?